Ever walk into a room and completely forget why you went there? Occasional forgetfulness is normal, but our brains thrive when we consistently nourish them. Today I'll show you a simple herbal elixir that's packed with ingredients to support memory, focus, and healthy brain function. If you have to choose one ingredient, go with green tea. It has a unique combination of caffeine and L-theanine that helps promote alertness while giving you calm, focused energy. But if you want to build an even more nourishing daily brain tonic, here's what I like to add. In a small saucepan, place 1 to 2 teaspoons of lion's mane powder and 1 to 2 cups of water, depending on how strong you want your tea. If you want, you can also add 1 to 2 teaspoons of cordyceps powder and 1 to 2 teaspoons of reishi mushroom powder. Whisk the mixture until you don't see any clumps of mushroom powder. Let the mushroom powder simmer over low heat for 10 minutes. Then to a tea strainer, add 1 teaspoon of lemon balm and 1/2 teaspoon of dried rosemary. Alternatively, you can use dried sage. If you don't mind a little mess, you can always drop your herbs right into the mushroom mixture. If using a tea strainer, tightly seal, then place back in the saucepan and add 1 green tea bag. Place back over low heat and allow everything to steep for about 10 minutes. Carefully remove your tea strainer and tea bag. If you see any herb or mushroom residue, feel free to pour your tea through a fine mesh strainer before adding to your favorite teacup. Dried herbs work great for this recipe, but if you want to take things up a notch, you can substitute 1 to 2 dropperfuls of lion's mane tincture, 1 to 2 dropperfuls of lemon balm tincture, and if using cordyceps mushrooms, 1 to 2 dropperfuls of cordyceps tincture. If using tinctures instead of herbs, your process differs just a little bit. Begin by brewing your green tea according to package directions. Add your dried rosemary, allow to steep for 10 minutes. Then once the tea has cooled, stir in all applicable tinctures and enjoy. This is a great remedy to support cognitive function because sage and rosemary are traditionally used to boost memory. Lion's mane is one of the best mushrooms for cognitive wellness, and lemon balm promotes calm focus. Enjoy 1 to 2 cups a day, but just remember, because green tea contains caffeine, it's best to avoid drinking it too close to bedtime. Consider this a great daily habit that will nourish your brain over time.